You're watching How Leap. Let's forward a voice message on Instagram. You cannot directly forward a voice message like you would a photo. Instead, you must use a workaround. First, open the Instagram chat containing the voice message. Tap and hold on the voice message bubble. From the menu, select Save Audio. This downloads the voice note to your device. Now go to the chat where you want to send it. Tap the microphone icon to record a new voice message. While recording, tap the music note icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens your audio library. Select the voice message you just saved. It will play over your recording. Release the send button to forward it as a new voice message. The other person will hear the forwarded audio. Remember, you should only share audio with the original sender's permission. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.